The Power of Sleep, Unlocking Its Impact on Health and Well-Being by Dr. Rohit Deshpande. In our busy, modern lives, sleep often takes a backseat as we prioritize work, responsibilities, and leisure activities. However, understanding and harnessing the power of sleep is crucial for our overall health and well-being. Sleep is not merely a state of rest, it is a fundamental physiological process that rejuvenates and nourishes our bodies and minds. In this article, we will explore the profound impact of sleep on our health and well-being, highlighting its role in physical restoration, cognitive function, emotional balance, and longevity. Physical restoration and healing. While we sleep, our bodies engage in vital restoration and healing processes. Sleep provides an opportunity for our muscles, tissues, and organs to repair and regenerate themselves. Growth hormone is released during deep sleep, facilitating the repair of damaged cells, promoting muscle growth, and supporting immune system function. Adequate sleep is essential for optimal physical health, aiding in the recovery from illness or injury and ensuring our bodies can function at their best. Cognitive function and mental clarity. Sleep is closely intertwined with cognitive function and mental clarity. During sleep, our brains consolidate and process information, aiding memory retention, learning, and problem-solving abilities. Sufficient sleep improves attention span, concentration, and creativity. It also enhances our ability to retain new information and process complex tasks effectively. In contrast, sleep deprivation can lead to cognitive impairments, decreased productivity, and difficulties in decision-making. Emotional balance and mental well-being. A good night's sleep plays a crucial role in emotional balance and mental well-being. Sleep deprivation can lead to increased irritability, mood swings, and heightened emotional reactivity. Sufficient sleep promotes emotional regulation, helping us better manage stress and maintain a positive mood. It also contributes to mental resilience, enabling us to cope with life's challenges more effectively. Prioritizing sleep nurtures emotional well-being, fostering a sense of calm, stability, and overall mental wellness. Energy and vitality. Sleep is the ultimate source of energy and vitality. A restful night's sleep rejuvenates our bodies, providing us with the necessary energy to face the day ahead. When we sleep, our bodies recharge their energy stores, allowing us to wake up feeling refreshed and revitalized. Sustaining healthy sleep patterns ensures we have the stamina and vigor needed to tackle daily tasks, engage in physical activities, and pursue our passions with enthusiasm. Immune system strength. A strong immune system is vital for warding off illnesses and maintaining optimal health. Sleep plays a critical role in bolstering our immune defenses. During sleep, our immune cells release proteins called cytokines, which help regulate inflammation and combat infections. Consistent and adequate sleep enhances our immune response, reducing the risk of infections and promoting faster recovery when we do fall ill. Prioritizing sleep is a powerful way to support our immune system and safeguard our well-being. Longevity and disease prevention. The impact of sleep extends beyond immediate health benefits. It also contributes to longevity and disease prevention. Research suggests that chronic sleep deprivation may be associated with an increased risk of chronic conditions such as heart disease, diabetes, obesity, and certain cancers. By prioritizing sufficient sleep, we invest in our long-term health and reduce the likelihood of developing these ailments. Quality sleep is a proactive measure we can take to enhance our overall health span and lead a healthier, more fulfilling life. Sleep is not a luxury or an expendable part of our lives, It is a powerful force that influences our health and well-being in profound ways. By recognizing and harnessing the power of sleep, we can optimize our physical health, enhance cognitive function, nurture emotional balance, and promote longevity. Prioritizing and cultivating healthy sleep habits, such as maintaining a consistent sleep schedule, creating a soothing sleep environment, and practicing relaxation techniques, allows us to unlock the transformative potential of sleep. So let us embrace the power of sleep, for it is an essential ingredient in our journey towards a healthier, happier life. Thank you for watching this video. For more informative content, please like, share, and subscribe to Dr. Rohit Deshpande's YouTube channel.